YouTube works with Claude now, and here's how to do it. First, we want to go to TranscriptAPI.com and create an account. Once we created an account, you get 100 free credits to try it out. But if you plan to use this on a regular basis, I recommend the paid plan. It's $5 and it's gonna give you 1,000 credits. So you get a lot more room for research and bigger workflows. Now back to the setup. Go to Claude, click on your name, settings, go to connectors, and click this add button. Now add custom connector. We need remote MCP server URL. Now for remote MCP server URL, we're gonna go back to TranscriptAPI.com, click on MCP. Here you will find MCP server URL. Just copy this right here, go back to Claude, paste it, click continue, and now just click add, connect. Now that we're done with this setup, you can go here to other tools and just click this checkbox, always allow, so Claude can search and read transcripts from YouTube. Everything is connected, and now we have to test out if it's truly working. And there's no better video to test it out than Joe Rogan podcast. That's around 3 hours long. So it's a pretty long video, and for someone who doesn't have a lot of time to go through the whole 3 hour long podcast, you can just copy the link, go back to Claude, paste the link, and write something like summarize the most important stuff from this video in bullet points and include timestamps. As you can see, it's connecting to Transcript API to get the transcript of the video. And there you go, we got the summary of the whole video. Now that we even have the timestamps, I can just go back to YouTube, use those timestamps to find a specific part of the video, and just watch it. For demonstration purposes, this also works with Claude app and mobile as well. And just to test it out on my phone, I open up Claude, and it's also working because we can clearly see that it's connecting to Transcript API, and this is how fast we got the whole video right here. It's literally a game changer. So if you're interested in trying this yourself, go to TranscriptAPI.com and let us know down in the comments, what did you transcribe first? And I'll see you in the next video.